Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a bit of Walgreens today and Rite Aid. Oh my gosh, Rite Aid is the store to be at this week. I know not everybody has that pharmacy, so we're going to be touching on that store secondarily in this video. So first piece of business, mom's stockpile of paper on that table when it was at its righteous, almost hitting the ceiling. Look who was guarding it, my cat Suzu. If you could please give this video a big thumbs up. I think she's doing a very good job as a security officer. Let me know. And please like this video. It really helps out the old YouTube channel to get this video out there. Okay, my friends, the first store that we're at is Walgreens, and today is the last day to do this deal. If you're looking for a pair of trimmers or clippers or however you say it, it's made by the company Braun, which I believe is in fact a P&G product. And this week they are on promotion for $24.99. You get an $8 register reward when you buy one of these. And yes, you can roll Walgreens cash if you wish. And I did that twice yesterday, two separate store cards, and I made it happen. To make this deal extra sweet, you have to load this digital coupon. If you look top left-hand corner, it says only for you. So I believe probably only a handful of you will receive this digital coupon. But if you have it and you want to make this deal go, today is the last day, which is the 31st. Okay, friends, so grabbing one of those for $24.99, subtracting that $10 digital, and I threw in $10 in Walgreens cash. I had to pay $4.99 plus the tax out of pocket. Got back my $8 register reward, and I called this a deal. Now, a lot of you were telling me in yesterday's video that if you used to pay that full $14.99 after the $10 digital, you would get both the $8 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it a much better deal. I have not tested that, but if you wish to test it, because there's a promotion this month of spend 20, get back 5 on P&G products, that's possibly another way. If anyone tries it, please let us know down in the comments how that's working out for you. I just rolled some Walgreens cash to have a smaller out of pocket and called this a deal. And if you did not get that $10 Braun trimmer coupon, with Father's Day right around the corner, they will be popping up really soon for a lot of us. Okay, so this morning, which is the 31st, Wednesday, I got this one on both of my store cards, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25, valid starting on June the 4th, right till the 10th. And one of my store cards, I haven't gotten a booster, I think, in 3 weeks, so this finally appeared. So I'm very excited by that. I'm definitely going to use it. So check your digital coupons folder at the very top, kind of a lottery if you get these, yay or nay. I know that's not exactly fair. I don't believe so either. But there's a lot that you can do with this. So just load it and we will make some deals happen. Okay, now moving it along, we're at Rite Aid. And this is very weird. Get 10 times the points when you spend $20 or more. Bottom left-hand corner, that must be a typographical error. $10 in points for $10 in points for every dollar that you spend. So if you spent like $50, you would get like $500 in points. Like, I don't know how that's going to work. That must be some sort of typo, and I'm sure they're not going to do that at the store, or they would be giving away their whole store away for free. But it's just it's there. That must be a mistake. What do you guys think? Apologies in advance. I'm not an avid Rite Aid shopper, so if I call this Walgreens cash, or if I'm talking something Walgreens, this is in fact Rite Aid, which is its own pharmacy. No sister store to this. Rite Aid is Rite Aid. And if you have one of these stores, man, the deals are smoking this week. The first deal I do want to touch on, if you do not want to do a $50 basket, but you want to get in on something, they have a promotion to buy 3 cosmetics, get $10 back. And I believe once you've done that, you've hit the roof, you've maxed out the deal. These were found in the clearance section, $1.24 Rimmel foundation. So 3 of them at $1.24 is $3.72. I didn't have a coupon to use, but I did get back my $10 in bonus cash, making this free plus a $6.28 money maker. I did incorporate this into my $50 basket, but if you just wanted to do a quick little deal, this would be the quick little deal to do. Like, who doesn't like a $6 money maker? For my $50 basket, I grabbed this guy. I believe this is the flyer barcode. So I had that one, the cashier scanned for me. And then this one came in an email, which is a 5 off 25. Plus, I also had a paper 5 off 25. So I had $10 of savings on a $50 basket. To go through my basket, this is what I got, guys. All of the detergent is $12.99. The Downy, the Tide, and the Gain. And there's a $3 digital for all three. The 2 Colgate Max Cleans at $3.99 a pop. Buy 2, get back 7, and there's a $2 digital for that. And the Tide products in the back are spend 30, get back 10 as well. And then the Rimmel Cosmetics, 3 of those, and then get back $10 in bonus cash. Now, forgive me, guys, I didn't photograph absolutely everything in the store. I kind of was like, somewhat preoccupied in shopping. But $12.99 for these products that are typically $16, and there's a $3 digital, and it's $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 30, with the limit for this is up to 2. So I grabbed some pods, some Gain flings, and then these Downy beads because I had a bonus cash challenge to go with. And then just to show you some of my digital coupons that I had loaded, and I'm going to let you guys know right off the bat that none of my digital coupons came off. And I scanned the Rimmel Cosmetic first, so my 5 off 25s attached to those, not these. So I had to call customer service for missed coupons this morning. But this is what I had loaded. And I know that sometimes that happens with me over at Rite Aid. I don't know why. It's weird. And then for this guy, we have a $2 digital and then plus a $2 on the coupons.com app as well. So make sure that you have your $2 coupon loaded for this one. It makes it a much better deal. And then check coupons.com and have that one loaded as well. And you can do the Colgate deal up to 2 times. But for the purposes of this basket, I just did it the 1 time. So you can do this deal in theory up until June the 3rd. So 3 Rimmel foundations on clearance for $3.72. And then I got a mix of Tide, Downy, and Gain for $38.97. And then 2 Colgates for $7.98 for a grand total of $50.66. The booster of get 10 back when you spend 50, got the cashier to scan that, subtracting 2 5 off 25s, and then in theory $11 in digitals coming off. I should have paid $29.66, and then I got back $37 in bonus cash, 10 for the booster, 10 for P&G, 7 for Colgate, 10 for Rimmel, and then 10 for the overall basket. So that's $37. It made it free plus a $7 and 34-cent moneymaker, and then an extra $2 to coupons.com. So it's like a $9.34 moneymaker. Also, I had to call customer service the next day for my $11 back because none of my digital coupons came off as well, just to note that. I finished a bonus cash challenge for the Downy, so I'm getting $10 back because it goes right to 10, not $9.50. And then Colgate, I have to do it one more time, and I'm going to get $9 back for that as well. So really, these bonus cash challenges, extra frosting on the cake if you're participating in that. How wonderful is that? As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.